fall day is falling all around us. It's cold, seriously cold. If you don't put on your coat and your gloves and your hat, you're gonna wish you did, 'cause you're gonna have a runny nose. Oh no, don't sneeze in public. Oh no, heaven forbid you've got a cough.